Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this picture and asked how you could reproduce that without using the extrude tool. Uh, I think the extrude tool would do a good job. It's a little bit complicated sometimes. The only disadvantage in this is uh, can't do much with it after you do it. But we're just going to make an oblong, nothing special. I am going to zoom in here. This is actually kind of fun. Control D and make a duplicate while holding, start moving and then hold down the control button. That kept it on the even. You didn't have to. Uh, let's say, let's learn something. Let's say we just moved it, it's not on kill. Just hit T like in Tom and it puts it on that kill. I actually probably don't want it that far apart, so let me move this back. I'm trying to get it close to that one. Now take a 2-point line and just go from that quadrant to quadrant. That way make sure it's on the edge, on the top edge. You know, there's edges in quadrant. Now, just think about which way you want it to be, and we want to take away that line. And what that did, that made it look like now it's a little bit flat on that line, but, and you could change that. You could actually, so we remove that one, we're going to remove this one. So now, you know what I'm doing at the opposite, I had the other one, or the person has it. But that doesn't matter. I'm going to do it the opposite. So now I'm going to take a yellow. That's going to be the outside. This is going to be the inside. I'm going to hold down the control button and add a little black to it. It really bugs me that it's like that. But we could probably grab the whole thing, Control G to group it, and mirror it. See, I got the exact same feeling. Now take away your outline by left clicking, and you just have that ring. And it looks like that's the inside of the ring and the outside of the ring. Let's put a black box around it. I don't know if they needed that, but go up to Object, Order, back a page, and theirs is a little bit fatter, but you know, I'm not making it for them. I'm just showing them how to make it. That is pretty cool. Hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.